friends, do you guys also think IELTS is a rocket science? Well, I used to think so earlier, but now I have something to show you. As you can see, I have scored an 8 in overall and 7.5 in each module. So, how come I have achieved this? I have a secret. Now, I'm sitting in here in AB Language School, Rama, Mandi, and you can come here also and achieve the same band score. So I joined here in AB Language School in September as I have scheduled my exam for 10th of December. Earlier I was skeptical about the preparations. I thought I had a very less time to prepare for the exam. But as soon as I came here, with the guidance of the teachers and all the other professionals available here, they all guided me and supported me throughout my preparation journey. With all these tips and tricks and the support and their guidance, I have scored this band score, and it is achievable for you guys also. So what are you waiting for? Come here in the AB Language School, Rama, Mandi, and join ASAP, guys. So see you here at AB Language School, waiting for you guys.